In fields of gold, where sunlight streams, we dance like fools in whispered dreams. A love so bright, a burning fire, engraved in hearts, a sweet desire. But shadows fall and darkness creeps. Our fragile love, the sorrow weeps. A broken vow, a shattered trust, leaving only ashes and dust. Through stormy nights and tear-filled skies, I search for you in memory's guise. Your gentle touch, your warm embrace, a fading echo time cannot erase. But shadows fall and darkness creeps. Our fragile love, the sorrow weeps. A broken vow, a shattered trust, leaving only ashes and dust. Yet in the depths of pain I find a glimmer of hope, a love enshrined. For even in loss, beauty remains, a bittersweet symphony in love's refrains. Though shadows fall and darkness creeps, our fragile love, the sorrow weeps. A broken vow, a shattered trust, leaving only ashes and dust. Like autumn leaves, our love descends, a bittersweet tale that never ends. In every tear,